Welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today I am with the LW-PX900 and I want to show you how easy it is to change the font size. Now this is actually going to be a two-part video because there's two different ways that you can change the font. So in part one, I'm going to show you how to use the auto presets. And then in part two, I'll show you how to use the manual setting so you can set it by point size. I already have the information that I want on my label typed in, so all I have to do to change the font size is hit the font size button. But I want you to know that these steps are the same, whether you have one line or multiple lines of text, it's going to be exactly the same. You may just see different options. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit that button. It's this one here that has the big A, triangle, and the little a, and you're just going to press it consecutively. And when you do, you'll see a label with some boxes on it. Those boxes are representing your text on the label. So you go through the options, find which one you want, and when you find the one that you want, just stop on it and it'll apply it to your label. Super easy. Perfect. When you're ready, push print. All right. That was exactly what I was looking for. So that's how you change the font size using the auto presets on the LW-PX900. Check out part two if you want to see how to change the font size manually by point type. If you have questions on the LW-PX900 or want to chat about your labeling application, give us a call. We'd love to talk with you. Thanks again and happy labeling.